Hello guys, today May 1st lead coding challenge. The question is prefix and suffix search. Let me read the question. Design a special dictionary which has some words and allows you to search the words in it by a prefix and a suffix. Okay. Implement the word filter class. Word filter string of words is the object with the words in the dictionary. And the function which has the parameters prefix and suffix returns the index of the word in the dictionary which has the prefix and the suffix. If there is more than one valid in the index, return the largest of them. If there is no such dictionary, no such word in the dictionary, return minus one. Okay, the question is simple only. Let me explain that. Okay, what we have are an array of words. Let us say apple, banana, cat, etc. etc. What we have to do is we have to implement a dictionary which takes the prefix and the suffix of the letters that might be present in the list or not. We have to return the index. Okay, so what we have to return is this is 0, sorry, this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, right? So uh, we have to store all these prefix and suffixes in the dictionary in such a way that if we are given the input a comma e, that is, this is prefix, this is suffix, a comma e, we have to return the index in the list such that that element should be matching the prefix and suffix. So a e, that are the prefixes of a and the suffix of apple. So okay, so we have to return 0. So if it is a p comma e, we shall be returning 0. So if it is b comma a, we will be returning 1. So if it is b comma a and a also, we will be returning 1, and so on. I think you understood what I am saying. Okay, so uh, so what we can do is, so let us go to the question again. So the constraints are the words length, that is the list length is 1 to 15,000, and the words of I dot length, that is the individual word length, will be only 10, and the suffix and prefix length will be also at maximum 10, that is 1 to 10. Okay, so let me show you what we'll be doing is, so the word length will be definitely 10. So let us say for suppose A B C D F H I J. So this is the max. This is an example word that has 10 letters. Okay, the prefix and suffix will be A comma B C D and so on J. This will be a set of prefix and suffix, and another prefix and suffix will be A B and so on I comma J. Okay, there are many possibilities. Like you can say 10 into 10, like there are 10 possibilities of prefixes and 10 possibilities of suffixes, right? So there will be 100 possibilities that we can attain. So for each possibility we have to store the index, which is nothing but this I. We have to store this index for every possibility in the dictionary. If we do that if we do that for every prefix and suffix we will be given a e or anything, we can get the output 0011 from the dictionary itself. Okay, I hope you understand what I am saying. Let me show you how to complete this problem. We have to initialize a dictionary. So self comma dict. Okay, so to get the words and their iterator, we can do things like this. For I in range, okay, for I in range words, uh, we can use I value will be 0, and to get the word, okay, for example, I value will be 0, and to get the word we will be using words of I. So we can do this also, but another way of doing this in an easy way is using an enumerate function. Okay, so what enumerate does is it will get the iterator and the value at the iterator from a dictionary. From a dictionary or an array, whatever it might be. Enumerate of W or DS. So what we'll be doing is for p in range 1 comma 10 plus 1, for q in range comma plus 1, so self dot act dictionary of uh, w of w of equal to I. So what I have done is, so the value of p ranging from 1 to 11, that is 1 to 10, and also q ranging from 1 to 10. So what I'm doing is I'm slicing the word. W here, I will be the iterator. I is iterator and W is the word. Okay, so I'm slicing the word. So I'm getting the prefix and also I'm getting the suffix. So one second. To get a suffix we have to use this syntax. Okay, uh, what my and the negative symbol does is it counts from the reverse order, it counts from the back side. Okay, so if it is -1 is 2, it will take the last letter. If it is -5, it will take last 5 letters. Okay, this is a syntax for that. So this is the case when p and q will definitely range from 1 to 10. But what is the case if there is a word apple? Okay, so if there is a word apple, there are only 5 letters. But if we are iterating it from 1 to 10, we will be getting an error. So what we have to do is we have to take the length of the word into consideration. Okay, so the value of L will be length of word. So here the range will be ranging from 1 to the minimum value of the length of the word or 10. Okay, that is, if it is if the length of the word is less than 10, we have to consider the length itself. If it is 5, which is less than 10, we have to iterate from 1 to 5 only. Okay, so I have to take the minimum of them. So what I can do is I will be replacing it with L, and I will be finding the minimum of them here itself, length of 10 word comma 10. Okay, so in this way I'm pushing every element index into the respective prefix and suffix. So I will be getting this function should return the index, right? So I will return self dot tick of prefix comma suffix prefix, sorry. So if it is present, we will return the index. If it is not present, we will be returning -1. Okay, that is given in the condition also. So let me run the code. I got null -1. Okay, I think we have done some mistake. What is that? Yeah, I understood what the mistake. So I have to slice up to the element p, up to index p. Okay, simple mistake. Let me run the code. Now I should get the answer. It is. So if I submit this, it will be done. So that's all for today. Thank you.